Well, it's been a while since my last video about the BirdScarer. I've been slowly making progress. I'm a software developer, not an electrical designer or component designer or whatever, and it's taken a bit of time. I've got the two boxes made up now. There's the one on the top that, or the top one for the motor. That's gets set back from the base one, which has got the PI sensor down here, so whatever got spinning around on the motor is not being picked up by the PIR sensor. There's a thing here to put a pipe in that will connect up to the other side, or the top unit, which will run the wires through to turn the motor, to the relay switch to turn the motor off and on. Probably, one of the biggest things was sorting out the relay switch. I realised that just running it on an Arduino board wouldn't be enough power, and took a little bit of time just figuring out how that works and things. There's also other things I've been doing. It's maybe lucky if once a month I'd spend a day on it for an afternoon or whatever in the weekend. So we've got the insides of the base unit. I'll attach a Arduino board to its side here somewhere. Figure that out at some stage. Possibly even work it out anyway. There'll be the batteries going, and also for the LEDs and the sound sensor, they'll be on a board here, which will be attached to the underside of the top of the base unit. I'll drill holes in here for the LEDs to come out of, and I'll have to figure out exactly where to put the sensor and things too. So all done. There's the top here of the top unit. It took a bit of just lining things up and that, working with the bits of wood and that, had to base the motor, put a base for the motor on. Don't know if we'll get on here, but there's a hole there to run the wires through. Oh, looking at the wrong hole, but there, you can see the light through on the other side. So now I've got the relay switch and so on, all that figured out now, so it can run independently. It doesn't have to be plugged into the computer and so on. Or over the next month or two, start putting it all together. I'm going to have to get onto it because it's springtime. I've got the door open and the birds are coming in the house. So so I need to sort of get on with it. So hopefully in the next few weeks I'll have something that's really much all put together. Apart from, I'll finish it all off with painting it and so on. But for now, the main thing is just getting it all together. So Next part of this, I'll get on and do a demo of it for you. So it's all plugged in, ready to go. Use my hand to, and it's just out to the side here, my hand sensor got going. So I've got the motor going. I'll have to set it off again, but there is a delay if it's just been running, but we've got the LEDs running, and there's the sensor making that horrible squawking noise. And I'll set it off again just to show there's the LED switch on the relay switch is switched on to show that it's turned on, the power's turned on to the motor. That's sort of obvious with the motor going around, I suppose. But so that's the BirdScarer with the relay to run the motor. I'll now start putting the pieces all together.